Hey, what's up everybody? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can clone your voice in Elevenlabs AI. So let's just quickly get into it. It's really quick and easy. Here you guys need to go to Elevenlabs and first sign up. I'll give a link in description. You guys can go and check it out from there. Once you have signed up, this kind of interface would just pop up. Go and click on voice here in the create section. Once you have clicked it, as you guys can see here, a lot of default voices are given to you. You can go and click here to clone your own voice. Now to instantly clone your voice, you need to have their instant voice cloning feature. They offer in starter plus subscription only. Let me show you guys here. They offer four kind of subscription. Of course, the first one is free, but it does not allow your cloning your own voice. You need to have their $5 per month subscription plan, which offers these following things. But and if you want to create professional kind of cloning voice, you can go for this one as well. I will also provide a link in description. You guys can go and check these packages from there as well. Once you get the packages, this would appear here after unlocking that instant voice cloning feature. Now here, place as many samples of your voice as you can. You can drop a file from your computer, or you can instantly record it right now here. You can also use ChatGPT to give you the proper prompts. Now further, you can go and add labels like British accent and stuff like this. And in the last portion here, you can define why are you cloning your voice, like you're cloning your voice for tech videos, stuff like this. And just that's it. Just hit submit and you're good to go. That's it for today's video. I hope the video was useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. See you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.